Oh, look at that. Let's see if he comes down. Here's two. Beautiful. Ooh, I put some crackers right there for them. But yeah, I might as well just, I don't know if they're gonna come down. Maybe they already ate all the crackers. But good morning, guys. I don't know. I'm sure it's been like this with everyone who's going to see this video. But it seems like everybody is just meeting so many people, and everything is so synchronous. Is that a word? But I don't know. But yeah, I mean, bluebirds come every day where I live now. Absolutely ridiculous.